Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss about the binary tree traversal problem. Here we must find the in-order, pre-order and post-order traversal for the given binary tree. How to find means, first you will be detaching the left subtree and the right subtree from the given tree. If you see here, A is the root node and whichever the nodes which are connected to the left of the root node are called as the left subtree and towards the right are called right subtree. Now I will detach the left subtree and right subtree from the root. Now this full completely is the root value and this full will be the left subtree and this full will be the right subtree. So this will be a easier trick, just follow this one. Left subtree, right subtree, root. Now you have detached. Now I will come to the last of the left subtree. Here last, this is not having any child. Now I will see its parent. So I will detach that parent now. Now I will consider this separately as a separated tree now. If you see here, parent and child, this full is a separated tree now. Now this will become the left, B will become the root and E will become the right subtree. Right, E is the right subtree, L is the left subtree which is having D, H and I and B will be the root for the left subtree. Now go to the right subtree. In right subtree, C is the root value, F is the left and in right if you see, G is there and G is having a child. So what I will be doing, this is not having any child, so its parent will be detached from that tree. Now this will become a separate subtree now. Left, root and right side we are having separate subtree. So now let's apply the in-order, pre-order and post-order for the given question. So in-order means first we must move towards the left. In the complete tree, left means left subtree. In the left subtree, here left is there. After left I must write root, after root I must write right. But here in the left we are having separated tree now. So first let's apply left root right for this separated tree. Left is H, root is D, I is right. So left is over in the left subtree. Left is over, next I must write the root value. What is root value? B. What is the right value? Right side I am having E. Now you can say that left subtree is fully completed. All the nodes in the left subtree are traversed now. After the completion of the left subtree, we will be moving to the root. What is the main root value for the completed tree which was given? A is the root. So root is over. Now let's move for the right one. So right means right subtree. Right subtree, apply left root right. Left is F. So F will be written. Root is C. When you want to write the right side is having a separate subtree. So let's apply the left root right for this right. So let's apply left root right for this separate subtree. G will become the root because it is a parent and it is having a left child. J, it is not having any right child. So write the left first. Left is J, next is root, that is G, right is not there. If you see, we have traversed all the nodes in the right side, all the nodes in the left side and the root. So we have written the traversal, that is left root right. Write it in the in order. H, D, I, B, E, A, F, C, J, G. Now let's go for the pre-order traversal. So what is pre-order traversal? Root left right. Here root means A is the root for the complete tree. Left means left subtree, right means right subtree. First we must write the value of the root. So root means complete tree's root value is A. So root is written. Next move to the left. Left means left subtree. So in left subtree again apply root left right. In left subtree root value is B. Left is this subtree and right is E. First let's write the root value in the left subtree, that is B. If we want to write the left, Here it is having a separate subtree. So let's again apply root left right for this separate subtree. Left root is D. Root means parent. D. Left is H, right is I. H, I. Root is over, left is over. Now I must write the right one. Right is E. So this full completes make the left subtree. So you can see that root is over, left subtree is over in the complete tree. Now let's jump for the right subtree. So if you go to the right subtree, again apply root left and right. So root will be the parent, that is C. Left is F. Right we are having separate subtree. First let's write the root value. What is root value? C. Left is F. And right if you go, it is having separate subtree. So we will be applying the root left right to that one also. So root is D, that is the parent. Left is J. Right side we are not having any child. So root left right. Root is G. Next left is J. We are not having any right. So now we have completed the right subtree also. Root, left subtree, right subtree. Write it in the pre-order. A, B, D, H, I, E, C, F, G, J. Now let's write the post-order traversal. So what is post-order traversal? Left, right, root. So left means left subtree first we will be taking. So left subtree means again in the left subtree apply left, right, root. So root will be B, left will be this separate subtree and right will be E. First I must write left. So left is here but it is a separate subtree. Apply the left, right, root to that tree first. Left is H, right is I and root is D. Now left subtree is completed in the left subtree. So left subtree is completed. Let's write the right one. What is right? E. And its root is B. So now we have completed the left subtree of complete binary tree. After left we must write the right. So I will jump to the right subtree. In right subtree I will be applying the left right root. Left is F, right is this subtree, root is C. So first let's write the left, that is F. If I want to write right, I must solve this subtree. So apply the left right root for this one. Left is G, left is J, right child is not there, root. What is root? G. Now left is over, right is over for the right subtree of the complete tree. Now we are left out with root. What is the root value? C. So now all the nodes in the right subtree is also traversed. Left is over, right is over. Last one is root. What is the root of the complete binary tree? A was the root. So left, root, left, right, root. So write it here. H, I, D, E, B, F, J, G, C, A. So now you have completed the problem. So what you will be doing here? Separating the left subtree and right subtree, and you will be going up to the 0 child. You will be going up to the leaf element, that is the 0 child one, and you will be detaching its parent. Here F is not having any child, but if you see here G is having child and J is a 0 child node. So I detached its parent and made it as a separate tree, separate subtree. Here D was detached and it was made it as a separate subtree. So hope you understood the topic of the binary tree traversal, how to solve the problem, and the more video links I will give in description so that you will be confident enough to solve any problem related to binary tree traversal. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, please do comment below. I will clarify it. If you liked the video, please subscribe and support us, because your one support motivates us to make more engineering related topics. Thank you.